Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at Pinterest and how to use the mobile app. So just download it from the App Store or Google Play Store, whichever one you're using, iPhone or Android. It's going to ask you for you to log in or sign up. I'm just going to log in using my Google. So it'll take me a second. Wait up guys. And here I am logged in. Let's say don't allow iOS 14 Pinterest, and it shows some stuff. Let's have no track, and then here we are in our feed where you can scroll and whatnot. But I've already created this account for it, but if you're first time setting up your account for Pinterest, it will ask you for interests, genres you like, and what kind of posts you like. I put like funny stuff, cars, yeah, some different stuff. Yeah, look at this cool picture. And yeah, you could like browse. You could also watch stuff, kind of like Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. It's pretty cool. And here we have Pinterest TV. In the top left, you could go live or look at other people's stuff. And then if you want to post, just click on the bottom plus icon. And then yeah, and you could go to messages where you can message people or look at your message. And then profile here, that is the picture I had saved. I haven't created anything, as you see. And that is kind of it for this video. That's the basic know-how of how to use the app. Thank you for watching guys.